Understanding, Come Down to Earth, a guide to idiomatic English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that you might have heard before, come down to earth. This expression is a great example of idiomatic English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and discover what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. At first glance, come down to earth might conjure images of astronauts returning from space. However, in everyday English, this phrase has a metaphorical meaning. To come down to earth means to return to reality or become realistic, especially after a period of excitement or imagination. It's often used to advise someone to focus on practical matters instead of daydreaming or having unrealistic expectations. To truly grasp the essence of come down to earth, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are a few examples. After daydreaming about winning the lottery, I need to come down to earth and focus on my job search instead of imagining what I'd do with the money. When someone has extravagant wedding plans, they need to come down to earth and consider their budget before they plan a ceremony in a castle. These examples highlight how the phrase is used to suggest a shift from impractical ideas or fantasies to a more grounded and realistic perspective. Understanding the cultural context of idiomatic expressions is crucial. In English-speaking cultures, telling someone to come down to earth can be a gentle way of reminding them to be more pragmatic. However, it's important to use the phrase sensitively, as it might be perceived as dismissive of someone's dreams or ideas if not expressed with care. Additionally, the phrase emphasizes a value often held in high regard in these cultures: the importance of practicality and realism over fantasy. We hope this exploration of come down to earth has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your own conversations. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one add color and depth to our language, making it more vibrant and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to come back to earth with us anytime for more insights into the English language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.